Every possibility in life is uncertain, like the probability of you finding the perfect thing, or the perfect moment, or even the perfect person, happens only once in a few millions. However, measuring that probability is something that will always be possible. How? Let us show you.
First, let's start by defining a few terms.
Probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurements of likelihood or chance that an event will occur. Probability of an event can be written in fraction, decimal, and percentage.
Experiment. An experiment is an activity with an observable result.
Trial. Trial is the number of an experiment, that the number of an experiment is repeated.
Outcome is an observed result to an experiment.
Sample space is a set of all possible outcomes in an experiment.
Event is a set whose elements are some outcomes of an experiment.
Probability of a single event. In a sample, if each outcome is equally likely to occur, then the probability of an event T is denoted by.
The formula of sample event is possible event equals the number of ways that an event occurred divided by the number of possible outcomes. Or in symbol, PE equals NS divided by NE.
Now that we know all of that, let me visualize how measuring a probability works.
To determine this probability, this experiment is an example by drawing a card. Let's start by letting player 1 to draw a card first. So player 1, what are your predictions?
Eight of spades.
Just as in the game, drawing a card. Making predictions requires skill and intuition. By understanding probability, we can expect the possibility of unexpected outcomes. Now, let us move on to another example.
Let me give you an example. This example is tossing a coin 3 times. In the first toss, the possible result will be head and tail. And for the second toss is head and tail. The third toss is head and tail. And here is the overall possible outcomes. In order to get the probability of an event, we need to use this formula. For the example number 1, this is the given event. P is exactly 3 heads. If we look at this illustration, only one has 3 heads. We only have one number of event. We copy this formula. First, P, open close parenthesis, plus the number of event and the number of sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the next example, the event is 4 heads. If we look at the illustrations of the possible outcomes, there are no 4 heads. So copy the formula P, open close parenthesis, then cross to 0.
Now that you know how to measure your chances, probability is here to add a sprinkle of fun to life surprises. So, go ahead, take a chance, and enjoy the quirky side of uncertainty. So, stay curious, stay playful, and may the odds be in your favor. See you next time for more randomness fun.
Bye!